As I told you, honey, that we were gonna go out biking now, and that we need the wagon.
Yes.
We are going on a trip down to the lake, and we're gonna do some grilling. So for that, we need the grill.
Yes. And the grill is there. You assembled it yesterday.
Indeed.
Awesome. And that's the secret stash where we have the wagon. It's the foldable wagon.
Where's the wagon?
Okay.
So why don't you take out the chicken, the meat?
We should put it into some food box actually.
That's right.
So I marinated the chicken because we are gonna have chicken. We need the briquette as well.
Oh yeah, it's in the...
Yeah.
Yeah, some iced tea perhaps. Nice. Is it...
It's marinated.
Yeah, I was thinking about it.
It's not.
Leaking.
It's not leaking.
Some corn.
Some corn. Shall we take some potatoes?
Yeah, you know what? I can put it on the grill.
Yeah.
Wrapped in some.
Yeah, let's do that.
Allow me to prep it.
And we can take an iced tea.
What happened there?
Yeah, that happened yesterday. It fell out of my hand, and the whole thing just rolled down. And so I just rolled it back up. You didn't hear it? It sounded like the whole neighborhood is in thunder.
Oh, trust me, I heard you. All right, you wanna? Shall we?
Yeah, we should put. We have to do it one by one, right?
Yeah,
You know what? You should go first with the bike. I'm gonna take the other bike, and then someone comes back for that.
Sure.
Okay, Mr. or Miss Ellie, but I need my first. Need shoes.
Better slip on my shoes.
Point of view, shoes on. Okay. Have to put on the camera. Yeah, I go there.
Alright.
Everything seems okay? Camera seems fine, I guess.
Yeah, everything seems
Yeah. Okay. Oh, I don't know even. Alright, let's go grill some shit. Wait, I don't have a pedal. There we go. Yeah, got it. go back to the nest.
So, what do you say? Shall we dip a good spot there?
Yeah, I think it's gonna be good. I just wanted to.
And then we can at least prepare the grill.
I mean, we should take the cart there, don't you think so?
Oh yeah, sure.
That's the easiest. Now we're gonna show how you unplug it.
If I manage. That's not a certainty.
Oh, you are so good in this now. So.
Okay.
I'm gonna get my bag off. Got it. So.
Nature. Calm nature time.
Yeah, exactly. Calm nature time. Such a great time to grill.
So just wind down and be one.
Exactly, just wind down. So relaxing.
So, let's. Okay. Yeah, I was just thinking it's clear. Not too close to this. I mean, it's a small one.
Oh.
Just grill and then we can sit down here.
Oh, sure. Sure.
Okay.
Go, go. And the kid is still screaming.
Yeah, indeed.
I marinated that chicken there. And we have...
Take us up.
Yeah, oh yeah, I have a backpack on. I'm gonna put it in here because that's the easiest.
And what you can do, cut these.
Let's cut those. Okay.
And I think you have the cutting board in your
Yeah, I gave it to you. Or, well, it should be in my backpack.
That's it.
Somewhere.
Otherwise, we're out of luck.
Don't know if you've put it in or not.
I might have.
Then I use a plate, it's fine. So I cut the corn. We have this, and you wanna say a toast?
Indeed. Cheers, honey.
Cheers.
For everlasting love.
For everlasting love. I'm gonna be able to do that. Get a little burn. That's how we like it. That's gonna be awesome food. Oh, it's gonna be so good. I wish people would smell this, not just see how nice and what is Gollum saying? That's exactly what he's saying.
Oh, or do you want to taste it?
Oh my god. You really wish you could taste this. You could be here with us eating. Because that's gonna be awesome.
Could have used a little more salt or spices.
I don't think so, you know how I am. Looks so good, looks so good, looks so good.
Okay, these are fine now. Oh.
Oi.
Not too shabby, not too shabby.
Looks actually pretty good. You did well.
No. The bread got on fire. It's breading.
It's breading.
It's breading.
Actually, it did get on fire. Oh, you and your...
You know what? Why don't you pause that for now and we can eat?
But should we not enjoy a little bit of eating on screen?
Yeah, sure. Are you choking or enjoying?
I'm enjoying, come on now. There is nothing that can taste better than, you know, on open fire grilled meat.
Oh, no.
It tastes so good.
Good.
And hi to the vegans. Sorry.
Larka, what's best in life?
Conan,
Wrong!
what's best in life?
Grilled chicken.
Like, to feel the wind in my hair, to ride on my horse. Wrong! Wrong!
Great.
Conan, what's best in life? To crush your enemies, see them driven before you, and hear the lamentation of their women.
Wrong!
No.
Grilled chicken.
Yeah,
It's quite good.
it's good. You should actually show how it went down because we didn't see it. Right. So, how did the Hornet go down again?
He flew right towards me. It's like all of a sudden turned into an arch and right down into the fire pit.
Oh,
No hesitation,
Nothing.
no regrets.
no regrets, nothing.
Just goodbye.
Come, you can come. There is one more. You can have some. It's a hornet. I'm hearing a hornet. Ah, there it is. There it is.
Come on.
He's not dirty. Let him eat a little. He's eating a little. He's actually biting it. I'm gonna tell. It's story time, guys. Why I like do that. Once when I was in a Zen temple, then I saw we were bringing it was the stupa in Hungary to you know tell the truth, and we went there in an afternoon to have a little bit of a Zen meditation, and they do have priests there from Nepal, Zen Buddhist priests, and we brought. It's also common courtesy to bring some cookies or something, you know, gift, and. We brought some gift, of course, it was cookies, and the monk started to eat it, but he realized that a hornet just landed on the cookie. So he very carefully broke off that part of the cake that the hornet was eating, was holding it in his hand while the hornet ate enough that he wanted. He ate the rest of the cake, and then when the hornet had enough and went away, then he ate the rest. And that actually kind of changed my life, that kind of, you know, regard to nature and how they are not doing any harm, they are not disturbing anything, they live around nature, they live with nature, but they are not sending them away. And you know what?
It's not a battle for the resources, it's more of a harmonial coexistence.
I'm pretty sure we have enough chicken to feed a hornet. Yes, that's what I do with hornet. I feed them. That's how you do it. You should, you know what? You should find a hornet today and feed them. Feed them chicken. They eat it. They like it. Now it's confirmed. You saw it. So now we are all packed up. Actually, almost, honey, we are having still a couple.
Han kom hem med dem, sen han satt och åt sin så här middag, han tog typ 3 stycken man. Sen senare han bara. Jag vet inte.
He's gonna come home with us.
Yeah, the hornet is still around here.
You see, you made a friend. He's not never gonna leave. He's gonna add you on Facebook and and text you, send you memes and.
Oh yeah, sure.
Jag trodde att jag var
So, all right, honey, are you ready?
I think so. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
And subscribe, comment, like, set the notifications so you don't miss any videos from us. And believe me, you don't want to miss videos. There are awesome stuff coming up. So set all the notifications on so you don't miss anything when we are uploading.
Oh yes, oh yes. The Vagabond and Mama Dennis have just been starting, and the summer is not over yet. So we have still things to do.
That's how small I am compared to you. What do we do? Tell us.
As I was... I mean... please don't do that. You would be surprised how many times that happens to me. It's quite different from country to country. Some countries have the entire nation the same date, basically.
Yeah. Sorry, you are so tall. I was just filming your stomach. Sadly putting it away because I don't have the iPhone cord.
You know how you feel, honey. I mean, we forgot sauce and ketchup and everything.
It's not the same.
The open water makes me think about past mistakes.
Like putting my backpack in the dirt?
Indeed.
That's not too fast.
I'm a rough man, honey. There are many backpacks that I have been dragging in the mud just to save my own back. It's not a coincidence that we get a wagon with wheels.
Why is it not a coincidence exactly?
Because then it elevates from the ground. I'm toxic, honey. You need to elevate yourself from me, or you will get dirty. That's just the nature of me.
I did elevate myself. I didn't think I have to elevate my backpack.